Hello, a very good evening, sir. My name is Gaurav Kanoja, and I am student of batch 24, and my student code is FW24 underscore 487. And I am here to explain the topic sorting and why we use the sorting and different type of sorting techniques. And what is the sorting? So in data structure, sorting is a process to arranging the data in a given specific order. For that, we can manage the data or we can retrieve the data in efficient manner, and also we can arrange the data in a increasing order or decreasing order or alphabetically. There are some commonly used techniques which are bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, quick sort, merge sort, binary sort, or heap sort. I will explain some sorting technique like bubble sort. Bubble sort is a sorting technique which is uh, performed by comparing two adjacent, and if they are in a given order, then we didn't swap them. If they are not a given order, then we swap them. It will work till we didn't get the swap all the elements in a that's a given order, or a selection sort. Selection sort is a technique where we select an index and if we select an first index and we found then we find a minimum element or a given according to given statement, like we if we want to data in a store in a increasing order, then we find the minimum element from array or object, like then we store that element at the index of first index, then we find the next second index which is greater than the first, then we store that element at the second order. It will we find every time we find a minimum number and the store at the starting. And the second third is a quick sort. Quick sort is a method where it is a process by we are in quick sort we are doing applying a divide and conquer rule. In here we can select an element as a pivot element, and after that we divide from that pivot element, and check that there is a and left side there is a less than element or not, and also same at the right side there is uh, greater element or not. Also that if we didn't they are not in same order, then we again divide the left elements at the two different array, and select and next pivot element and the sort, and then again at the end of that we merge that. And it is a that quick sort or more sort. It is also used in inbuilt functions, like in JavaScript we have a sort methods also, and also in Java we have a sort method with arrays class. Uh, they are a technique which is used to build inbuilt methods also. And we use the sorting techniques like when we want to we are working on a database, and we have a huge data, and we want to access the data in efficiently, but data is stored randomly. We didn't access the data in a efficient manner. But if the data is stored in a uh, order in a any order, then we can access the data according to order. If we want to select a huge number and big number, then we can randomly check that at the middle element it is greater than or not. If it is not greater than, that means we get the element after that index. So it is like a middle element called a pivot element, and we check the that element after that right side. So these are the example. And also we can manage the database, or we can when we are searching for any element, or when also we can scheduling a time for that timing. We also it is also working in time for, and also, and that is from my side.